Hey there, welcome back to another video. My name is Pradyumna Saraf and I'm a developer advocate at Lifecycle, specializing in Go and DevOps development. In today's video, we will explore how to use Preevy with GCP Compute Engine. If you are not familiar with Preevy, it's a robust open source CLI tool developed by Lifecycle. Preevy is designed to streamline the creation of Preevy environments for your project and provide shareable URLs for quick and easy team feedback. Although Preevy supports various drivers like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure and Kubernetes, today's focus will be on GCP. As you can see, I am already on the repo page. Feel free to contribute to our work and give it a star to show your support. Your contribution and support help us continually improve and make this tool more usable for the developer community. For this demonstration, I am using a repo that I have created under Lifecycle Organization so that you can easily try out. Let's switch to the VS Code to understand the repo component and see Preevy in action. This project includes a frontend, a DB, and a backend. If we open compose file, you will see three services: a frontend, a database, and backend. We are using Node.js for backend and MariaDB for database. Before we dive in, ensure you have following prerequisites: Docker and Docker Compose, Google Cloud CLI, and Node.js. With these tools at your disposal, you are ready to create your own Preevy environment. Please also make sure Docker is running. Also, a detailed installation guide and step for each driver can be found in the docs. For this demo, we are using GCP Compute Engine, an intuitive, cost-effective service that suits our need. Let's switch back to the VS Code. Next, let's set up the AWS credential using gcloud auth. In the project, you have to provide your project ID. I'm using Lifecycle Dev. Now we are authenticated. Now let's install Preevy using the npm install -global Preevy command. Following that, we are going to set up a profile using Preevy init. A profile acts as a persistent storage for your Preevy configuration data. You can store it locally or in a storage like S3 or Google Storage. You can also create multiple profiles. For this demo, we are using Google Storage. Select Google Compute Engine. Press enter. Select any region. Any zone. For this, we will select Google Cloud Storage. Press enter. Enter any bucket name. Now our profile is initialized. Now that the profile is set up, let's run Preevy up command. It takes some time creating containers and deploying them. As we can see, it provided us the shareable URL for different services. Let's now navigate to the URL we receive. It's working fine. Let's make some modification to app.js and again run Preevy up command. As you can see, our new changes has been deployed and are now showing on the URL. This kind of preview environment make it super convenient to receive feedback easily and quickly. We just need to run preview command each time. Let's now head back to the VS Code. Let's now check some more command which might be helpful. Preevy logs. It retrieves all the logs of the services. Preevy ls. It lists all the environments. Preevy URLs. Shows all the URLs of your environment. Preevy down. Shut down your environment and delete everything. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any question or comments, feel free to leave them below. Happy coding.